下一站總統酒店。
下一站總統酒店。
Next stop, Madison Hotel。車未停穩，請緊握扶手。緊握扶手，注意安全。
I really think this is an electric car, or at least a hybrid. It's quite smooth, and it is not noisy. 新東方置地酒店澳門 A lot of hotels, but they're expensive hotels. Thousands of dollars per night. If you want a cheap one, then you go to China. I think we just made a U-turn. Xingzai Jiaodian. That is another hotel. How many hotels have we seen? Wingley Yulokcheng. That is another big casino. Star World Casino. See, a lot of casinos and hotels. If you're rich and you don't care about money, this is the place for you. If you like gambling, that's a heaven for you.